Those two local tents trying to recover it. Alright, here's our job site. Water is fully pressurized. Here's the beautiful repair that Colt did. 4-inch. This is the second repair of this property in this kind of similar situation. Always use a regular company. New construction, guys.